Good morning. The bull run continues on the Indian bourses. The reason for this could be the FII frenzy at its best. The net overseas portfolio investment in Indian equities this year has surpassed last year's record figure of $17.5 billion. Given the bright prospects for India and the uncertain external scenario, the final FII figure for 2010 could look different. The FIIs may unload some of their investments if the global situation worsens. Today, the start is likely to be flat to steady as the global markets have witnessed some softening. US stocks retreated, as did the European markets. Asian markets are mostly trading mixed and things could change by the close of the trade. Intraday swings are a given in F&O expiry week. Immediate support and resistance for the NSE Nifty are likely to be seen at around 5,950 to 6,080 respectively. We would continue to urge caution as the market appears overbought. Locking in some gains at higher levels would not be a bad idea. Large caps will continue to dominate the proceedings. While you cannot write off the side counters, be extra cautious while dealing in small and mid-cap stocks. AstraZeneca Pharma will be in focus as its plan to delist shares seems to have come a cropper. ITFC might gain amid reports that it is looking for a foreign partner for its AMC unit. Cement firms could rise amid reports of price hikes in the key western regions. Suzlon is also likely to be in the spotlight as reports suggest that it is keen to buy an additional 9% stake in RE Power. Jet Airways is another stock to watch out for as its low-cost arm Jetlight has been directed to pay a service tax of 700 million rupees. Arcom will seek shareholders' clearance for raising funds through equity. IRB Infra is looking out to raise debt to finance a road project in Karnataka. Fertilizer stocks may also attract some attention as the government committee has suggested freeing the prices of urea and inclusion of the fertilizer in the new nutrient-based subsidy scheme. This investment could also drive some of the PSU stocks as well. The other news for the day is upset over a probe into whether anti-dumping duty should be imposed on imports of certain types of stainless steel products. Utensil manufacturers have said that any tax on any items could hurt the sentiments of the industry. The government is setting up a new body with a corpus of up to ₹2 billion that will help companies develop environment-friendly technologies for hybrid and electric vehicles, the Joint Secretary at Ministry of Heavy Industries said. RBI has tightened norms for banks extending loans to promoters against shares. L&T has bagged an order worth ₹16.1 billion from Visa Power. ITFC plans to raise up to ₹34 billion through a 10-year retail bond issue that opens on the 1st of October and closes on the 18th of October. SpiceJet would double its current 22-plane fleet by the end of 2013. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Videocon Industries. We recommend traders to buy the stock in the range of ₹271 to ₹274 for a target price of ₹288 and the stop loss is to be maintained at ₹265. And a buy on GE Shipping. We advise traders to buy the stock in the range of ₹309 to ₹314 with a stop loss to be maintained at ₹304 for a target price of ₹330. The derivative strategies are short M&M September future in the range of ₹694 to ₹696 for a target price of ₹678 and the stop loss is to be maintained at ₹701. And short Cipla September future in the range of ₹322 to ₹323 for a target price of ₹312 and a stop loss is to be maintained at ₹326.50. Thank you and have a great day ahead.